Today on Science Fridays with John, we're going to do some more discovery with vacuums using some boiling water and some silica tablets and see how a vacuum actually works under boiling water. Stay tuned. I'll see you in the lab. Hi everyone, I'm John, the Science Guy, and welcome to another Science Fridays with John. Today, we have a similar setup to what you've seen in the past when we've done other vacuum experiments, but we're doing something very unique today. We're going to explore how a vacuum operates in boiling water. All right, so to get started, I'm going to take my boiling hot water, which is really, really hot. I'm gonna pour just a little bit in there. I'm gonna pour it on here because I might spill some. Good thing I had that there. I had a hunch I was gonna spill some. And remember, there are two stickers here. You can see that it's boiling because they actually just changed. These magical stickers, well, they're not magical. They actually react to heat. And so whenever there is boiling water, it will automatically change that to the little caution symbol. Labels like that are really handy, and they're used in a lot of applications, including things that will have you note when food's going to expire in so many days. So let's go ahead and put this little top on this, okay, just like so. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to pump this 20 times, okay? 3, 4, 5, 6. See the water's bubbling there? You can see the bubbling. I think that's pretty much 20, and if we take a look, we'll see that the vacuum still operates above the boiling liquid. Pretty cool, right? All right, let's go ahead and do this experiment a similar way. First, we're gonna let the air out. Okay, once we let the air out, we'll close the valve again. We can then take this off, and we're going to emptying these silica gel beads. You get these in shipping boxes all the time. They're not edible. I'm gonna pop them in there. Okay, you can already hear them making some noise. I'm gonna put this back on top, and I'm gonna give it 20 more times of pumping. You can see on the bottom, you can see they've all kind of sunk to the bottom, but you'll notice that the vacuum is still there. We don't have the same amount of bubbles as we did before. Now, if I do this, the vacuum still works. So what the silica tablets actually do is they help it to boil more by bringing out, actually being a catalyst so that it has a higher temperature. And that's what that does. And we can see that it is boiling because we can see the magic labels, which isn't really magical. It happens because of the temperature changing. All right, so you might be wondering why we're doing this experiment today. And the reason we're doing this experiment is because vacuums are cool. Yeah, that's right, say it with me. Vacuums are cool, vacuums are cool. You know, there's so many things in our world that use vacuums. And understanding a vacuum and how it operates is really something quite fascinating. But in our world, I want to share this with you because in life, as I mentioned before, there are vacuums. Now, a vacuum operating in a boiling temperature would be very similar to a situation happening in an environment where maybe it's overly negative or something that has got such a charge to it that it has its own catalyst that could cause it to just explode, the situation, I mean, not actually a person. And so by understanding a vacuum, we can know that a property such as how something reacts, like we saw the vacuum, it still works above the water pretty easily. But once we let go of the air, just like so, you'll see that the little gauge comes back up there again, and I can just take this right off. Again, I am John, the science guy. I want to thank you so much for popping into my lab. Hey, and you guys know I do parties. Yes, all kinds of parties, and I would love to come to your next party. But listen, like, love, support the channel, comment below, tag your friends, colleagues, and associates. Share this out with everyone you know on social media. And of course, make the choice to click on the PayPal link, buy my team and I a cup of coffee, a bowl of fruit, or a savory dessert plate. Either way, we'll be very grateful with those pennies and dollars that you invest into us. We'll put into new hardware, new technology, new equipment, new software, even new facilities to give you the most jaw-dropping, motivational content to empower you to become an even better version of yourself. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and check out BelieveMeAchieve.com because there are some amazing videos there. Science, motivation, and so many others that you're not going to want to miss them. I'm John, and I'll see you in another video real soon.